Thinking about getting yourself a new set of wheels this year, but unsure which cars are the best according to a panel of 27 seasoned motoring journalists? These 13 cars are the top choices in each of their categories. All the vehicles listed are relative newcomers to the market and have received glowing reports by those granted first access. Just one of them will be crowned UK Car of the Year next month. Which car would get your vote? The UK Car of the Year Awards is now in its 6th year and casts a vote on which vehicles making their full-year debuts stand out as the pick of the crop. A shortlist of vehicles across 13 different categories has been whittled down to one winner in each segment. Those 13 cars will then vie for the outright title as the UK Car of the Year 2018. The winner will be chosen by the group of motoring journalists, those who have had exclusive access to the cars already and put them to the test on the road, on 23 February, so you'll have to wait to find out which one gets the overall seal of approval. However, we want you to tell us which of the following models you think is most deserving of the title. Let us know in the comment section below. Here are the cars you have to choose from. The Ibiza launched fairly early in 2017, but was voted the best supermini for this year, even against some familiar rivals. Chiefly the Ford Fiesta, which was the best-selling car in the UK for the 9th consecutive year last term. The 7th generation Golf is a cracker.A, and 2017 Volkswagen gave the Golf a mild facelift and tweaked the range. That means it's more accomplished than ever and remains one of the most practical family hatchbacks on the market. Think this jacked-up Peugeot looks wacky from the outside? The inside is more impressive and is laden with plenty of tech and gadgets. With lots of interior space and a classy, durable cabin, it was voted the best for family car buyers. The new 5 Series is an impressive beast and has taken another step up in terms of luxury. But BMW has had to up its game. Mercedes is now the nation's favorite premium badge, which is likely to ruffle some feathers in Bavaria, and Britons feeling home loyalty also have Jaguars XF to choose from. For the best part of £500,000, this should be the best luxury car you can buy. Phantom VIII arrived from Rolls-Royce's Goodwood headquarters last October, and we were impressed by the whisper quiet drive, especially considering there is a howling 6.75-litre V12 engine under the bonnet. Not only did the 5 Series win the award as the best executive car of 2018, the touring version has also been crowned the best estate. In fact, kudos to BMW, it is the only brand to appear twice in this list. This chunky little Citroën was voted the best compact crossover for 2018. In fact, the new Volvo XC60 is one of the classiest cars to hit the market last year. It was also the safest of 2017, according to Euroncap. We wholeheartedly agree with this choice, having spent some time in the Skoda Kodiaq for our review last year. It's spacious, well-built and, with a recent negative focus on diesel, is the only petrol-powered 4x4 7-seat SUV you can buy today. Not only is the new Lexus LC one of the best-looking new cars to hit the market in the last 12 months, it drives well too. There's a 3.5-liter petrol hybrid version, but we much prefer the naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, the last of a dying breed of non-turbo muscle car motors. The Mazda MX-5 is the best-selling convertible car of all time, and it's a firm favorite in the UK, despite the fact we have particularly short periods of sunshine to enjoy top-down driving. The RF version is a hardtop with a transformer-like folding roof that offers a little more refinement than the standard cloth-topped car. When you think of hot hatches, you tend to reminisce about cars like the original VW Golf GTI, Peugeot 205 GTI and Ford Escort Cosworth. But fast forward a few decades, and the pick of the performance hatchbacks is Korean. The Hyundai i30N is an unlikely winner in this category.If, though the Hyundai i30N taking the title as the best hot hatch was a shock. Another Korean model has been voted the top performance car. It's Kia's new Stinger muscle car. We drove the 3.3-liter V6 and were mightily impressed with the fast four-door family wagon.